Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I hope kuyaphileka ngisanazi bafethu. I hope kuyaphileka bafethu angisanazi bafethu. Imesh elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawodlala against AmaZulu FC bafethu okuyi-team strong ngempela, okuyi-team efuna ukuchallenge for unumber 3 lapha. Bafuna ukuyodlala kwi-CAF Confed. So njengoba nje befuna ukuyodlala kwi-CAF Confed, igame enjengale igame ebalekile for AmaZulu because kumele bawuthole u3 points, kumele benze sure ukuthi ke basenda imessage kuyo yonke i-team ekhona abazodlala nayo njengoba nje befuna amaphuzu abalekile. Nayo ke Orlando Pirates iyawudinga u3 points because ifuna ke ukuvala leyo gap between yona and Mamelodi Sundowns yabo, after they lost amaphuzu amabili abalekile ekhambeni ngosikhathi bedlala against Richards Bay FC. So lana ke ngizoshayelana prediction eyamikelelana prediction, ungayigxeki wena ke ungitshele eyakho ukuthi ke ungayisetha kanjani i-lineup prediction yakho ukuthi ubani abadlali ongabadlalisa, ungabagxeki abami yabo. So ngizoqala nje epalini bafethu ke niwalazi epalini nyamazo Simple Chain. For me Simple Chain uyena goalkeeper Orlando Pirates ekumele lokho emqalisa yabo kule season so far. I don't think ukhona ugoalkeeper sekwalithole ithuba lokuthi avimbe lapha umjida. It looks like uzoyiqeda ngempela isizini ewaqale wonke ama game for Orlando Pirates kwinina kwi-league yethu Premiership, which is a good thing yabo. Mase kuthi ke ku-center back pairing, ku-center back pairing zothi kuyishintsha kancane. Remember ke igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawodlala against inina, bawodlala against i-Kaizer Chiefs. So njengoba beyodlala against i-Kaizer Chiefs, I will risk umphotsha batsane wethu CM. I will start umphotsha batsane wethu CM. The reason why I'm doing that, I know umphotsha batsane if ethole yellow card ngiyazi abe khona against iSoweto Derby, same as uSibisi. If uSibisi eyiqala le game le ngiyazi abe khona for iSoweto Derby. So who would you race between uSibisi and umphotsha batsane? uSibisi uyayazi experience eDerby, umjito sewadlalile ama-derbies maningi. So starting uSibisi against AmaZulu, umjita he might pick up a yellow card against AmaZulu and angabi khona for iDerby. So I would like to keep uSibisi kuma stands and start umphotsha batsane kule game le abo ngimqalise beno CM. Masukuthi ke kuma wingbacks bafethu ngingaqalisa bani na? Ngingaqalisa umjida niyamazi ke bafethu sibelebele right wing back yethu uyawazi ke umsebenzi kuya phambili, a provide a service kuma wingers, mase ke angene phakathi ashaye cross abuye futhi azo defend yabo. Simple, ahambe ngoline afake cross, a provide service, mase ayabuya azo defender, same as uDion Hotto bajida kuba2. I feel like ibona abayikhoye attack Orlando Pirates njengoba yenza kahle nje kule insuku is because ikhoye attack yethu bafethu usibelebele and ubanina uDion Hotto. Last game usibelebele mfethu umjida he was shaky, many people saw umjida he was shaky, but ke second half umjida he pulled through and he made Orlando Pirates idlale kahle kakhulu. Sakwazi ke second half sikwazi sithole amagoli azokwazi ukuthi ke si level with iRichards Bay FC. So kule game le bafethu siyolungisa amaphutha esibe nawo against iRichards Bay yabo. Akumele nje sitatazele kakhulu, we must fix those mistakes esibe nawo. Some of the mistakes esibe nawo against iRichards Bay FC sibe exposed yabo, sibe exposed kakhulu kona lapha esiswini. Njengoba sibe exposed kakhulu esiswini, iRichards Bay ikwazile ukuthi isebenzise le nto lokuthi Orlando Pirates njengoba idlala nje ingenayo CDM, why don't we play more creative players adlale khona esiswini yabo. By putting more creative players abe khona esiswini, leyo nto izokwenza njani na? Izokwenza Orlando Pirates ibukeke ingekho balanced, because vele yayingekho balanced, idlala nge-8-8. I-8-8 bafethu ke imnandi uma uzodlala against ama-team vele a-defensive, but ke ama-team asekuhlanu phelile akubonayo vele ukuthi udlala kanjani. Azofaka creative players azodlala esiswini, abadlali bazokwazi bamove ibhola kakhulu. By putting more players lapha esiswini benza i-double pivot yakho ibe weak. The more i-double pivot yakho iba weak, i-defense iba exposed, because ibhola lizokwazi ukuthi lidlule kule double pivot, i-defense ibe exposed, i-defense igcine yenza ama-mistakes. Lapho ke udinga a-CDM ozokwazi agade i-defense yabo, azogada i-defense ashana le yonke into ezoza kwi-defense, because if you saw amagoli akore around uD-line, njengoba nje ekora around uD-line bingekho iCDM, ukuba bikhona iCDM bizokwazi ishanelele lo bhola, because abadlali bebekwazi bashuthe ngaphandle bakorelele banina bakorela uSipho Chain yabo. By having a CDM umuntu ozokwazi ashanele lawo ma-loose balls lawo ukuze ke uSipho Chain azokwazi abe safe, same as i-defense yabo. So mina ngokwami ngamqalisa bafethu uMakehleni Makhawula in a game like this against AmaZulu bafethu, they have experienced players abadlala khona lapha esiswini yabo. So you need experienced players like abo Makehleni Makhawula. mase ukuthi-ke abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe nyamazi-ke bafethu uTalente Mbatha. For me, I was going to start uNemtajela because uTalente Mbatha I feel like umjida wathi ukuthinta kancane unokuthinta kancane uTalente Mbatha yabo. So I wouldn't trust uTalente Mbatha kakhulu because if umjida simdlalisa more games uzolimala, but-ke based on indlela adlala ngayo umjida ngamqalisa against AmaZulu FC. Umjida uyadingakala ngempela uzokwazi amlikelele bani na uMakhehleni Makhawula. So you need a player like uTalente Mbatha to help a player like uMakhehleni Makhawula bakwazi ukubayibambe leya midfield Orlando Pirates ethuqina kakhulu. Mase kuthi-ke umdlalo uzodlala phambi kwabe kuzoba ubani na kuzoborele Bule Mofokeng. Umjida kumele a-operate naye akwazi ukuthi ayisize imidfield ikwazi ukuthi imove ibhola. So for me Mofokeng angadlala as number 10 kuthi number 8 kubani na kuTalente Mbatha kule game esoyidlala against AmaZulu. So far ngiyayibona nje bafethu lineup Mpotsha Batsane, Siyema Sibelebele and Dion Hotso, bani na Makhehleni Makhawula, Talente Mbatha and Relebohile Mofokeng. So far this is the lineup I would line up for. Yabo mase siza kuma attack kuma attackers bafethu angithanda ukushintsha kakhulu mina ngokwami yabo ngokwami this is my lineup. Wena ke ngangitshele ya kungayigxiki yami i-right winger yami bafethu ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa uOswin Apolis. Oswin Apolis is the right winger ye-Orlando Pirates. Umjida he has been doing very good for Orlando Pirates. Umjida mengenzi kahle umfukeng umjida he raise his hand naye ashow up yabo. We need players like abo Oswin Apolis, same as uTshepo Moremi bafethu. Now uTshepo Moremi, if these two players are not doing good, naye umjida uyasiraise isandla ke ashow up adlale kahle umjida yabo. So our attackers bafethu ayasiza ngempela yabo. Ama-wingers ethu omabili ama-wingers ethu ayasiza ngempela. So as a right winger I'll start bani na uOswin Apolis, mase ukuthi-ke lapha la ka left I'll start uTshepo Moremi. I heard some people say kungangcono if siqalisa bani na siqalisa oyedwa between the two. If you start oyedwa between the two, do you think Daniel Msendami must start a game like this? I think Daniel Msendami now really deserve it too, because we cannot keep him on the bench forever and nakumele introduce athi uyithola kancane game time. But again, when wangitshela ngokwakho, what do you think about Daniel Msendami? He's a good player, yeah, but don't get me wrong, he played very good for iMarumo Gallants. But again, so far Orlando Pirates umjida kakaze alithole kahle ithuba yabo. Mase sisi up front nyamazi kumjida bafethu Evidence Makgopa. For me I think umjida kumele awaqala ama games. I think we deserve ukuyiqala igame yabo, because some people will say bafethu uMbuthuma mnikezeni isikhathi. I think isizini siyaphela right now saying uMbuthuma simnikeze isikhathi. Selala ama games awu4 I don't know 5 or 6 games I said I don't know yabo ngangitshela wena, but siyaphela isizini kanti isikhathi sibe nini yabo na next season. So sesimnikeze isikhathi uMbuthuma. Let's be honest bafethu, we need to start uMakgopa going forward. Yes, uMakgopa akasicreateli ama-goal, but uyasicreatela ama-chances. He knows how to play ibhola. Makgopa has more touches. Each and every time Makgopa may introduce, he has more shot on targets. Last game obanama shot on targets amaningi okudlula uMbuthuma. He's a good player uMbuthuma, don't get me wrong, but compared to lo mjida lo, mina ngokwami this is my lineup. Ungangitshela ke wena ngokwakho ingathini i lineup, ungangigxeki ngitshele eya.